Geobase just got an exciting new feature for importing your data from OpenStreetMap. Let me just show you how it works. So I can pick the location. I can use the drawing tools to select the area of interest. And I give it a name. And this will be used to prefix all the tables that are imported. So multiple tables are being imported here. And I can pick other, yes, let's say I want water and points of interest, streets, and buildings. So I'm going to save that and run import. This will start the import process. Once it's done, I get all these buildings. And let's have a look at this. Again, the buildings, the points of interest, my streets. And let's take the water. And let's open that. Okay, so there's my data I just imported. And let's restyle it. Work. Oh, that worked. Okay, look at that. And that is my data styled for the import from OpenStreetMap. It's easy. You can start building.